Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends my YouTube channel. I hope friends you will be fine. Have you are spending good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome. I shared with you new and great ideas in this video. Let's come and I shared with you new and beautiful design ideas, project related braids ideas. So friend, let's come and I shared with you beautiful and useful ideas in this video I shared with you. So I hope you will enjoy. That's great and beautiful diamonds different ideas which I shared with you in this video. And don't forget my YouTube channel subscribing. So friend, let's come and I shared with you beautiful design. Video I shared with you new and great ideas that are completely converted to each other. Hopefully you will enjoy my great and beautiful thinking ideas that are completely different to each other. I hope you enjoy my beautiful and best design ideas because it's are very beautiful to each other and you can create different ideas which are very impressive and are beautiful to each other. So friend, watching this video at the last, you can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching my best criteria and you will be evaluate different thinking ideas. I hope you can create different thinking knowledge to watching. That's great beautiful ideas because I shared with you new and beautiful imaginary populative ideas in this video I shared with you. Hopefully you will be enjoy my that's of great ideas and I hope you can create different type of thinking knowledge. This video I shared with you new and clarify ideas. Hope friends you can create different type of thinking ideas to watching this video which I shared with you and you can create different type of thinking knowledge. So friend, uploading this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and I hope you can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching this video. So friend, you will enjoy my great ideas which I share. Friends, you gain different type of thinking knowledge to watching this video which I shared with you in this video and you can create different type of thinking ideas to watching my ideas are most attractive and are beneficial to each other. Thank you so much friends to watching this video at the last. You can create different ideas and in this video I shared with you beautiful idea. Dear friend, and next time I will meet you with beautiful and clarify ideas that are completely different to each other and you will begin different type of thinking ideas. Thank you so much friend. I will meet you with beautiful ideas and to take care guys. I hope you enjoy. Dear friends, next time I will introduce